Okay guys, so today I am going to be going in and doing a beginner's eyebrow look. So first I go in with my spoolie and I do brush my brows in an upward motion, and I am definitely going to lay them down with the Becca primer. I learned this from a YouTuber by the name of B. Marie. And since my eyebrows are thick and the hairs are long, this really helps lay them down and make them stay down so that I won't have flyaways going everywhere. And I really would recommend this if you do have eyebrows like mine with the long hairs and they're thick. This step really does help. So after laying that down with the Becca primer, I do use my spoolie, and I'm definitely going to go over that with the NYX Control Freak Control Brow. I'm not quite sure what's the name of it, but I know it's definitely the NYX Control Freak. Using this NYX Control Freak really does also help keep my brows staying down. I honestly just use it just in case the Becca primer doesn't really work. Just give it that extra hold. And then I am now going to go in with my Kiss Professional Top Brow in the color in the color Dark Brown. I use this to outline my brow. First I'm going to do my lower brow line, and then I will do my top. As you can see, before I outline the top of my brow, I do brush my hairs down just to give my brows off as a thinner brow than they usually are. I learned that technique from Taylor Made, and that is her YouTube name. She does have thick brows, just like mine. And now that I am done outlining my brow, I'm going to go ahead and start at the tail by using my Kiss Professional Brow and filling that brow in. And then to make that even darker, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony. And I'm going to go over that dark brown in the Kiss Professionals just to make that a little darker than it actually is. Okay, so for the front of my brow, instead of filling it in just like I do the back, I go in an upward motion to create hair-like strands in the front. You don't want to go in and just fill it in just like you did the back, because that'll give it a more boxier effect, and you don't want that. You want it to look as gradient and I guess flawless as possible. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my MAC NC45 concealer, and I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses concealer brush. I did get this at my local beauty supply store, and it was really cheap for it to be like such a good brush. I did have to mold it down in the shape that I like it to be. So like once I wash it, I just press it as flat as possible to try to make it stay that shape. And it really does help. As you can really see, the brush is really flat, which really helps with trying to define and curve the brow just right. with my Zoeva buffer brush, and I just pack that concealer in. I don't try to smudge it out. I just pack that in and spread it out. And I love this buffer brush. I was recommended this by D Marie on YouTube. And as you can see, that is a really pretty brow. Look at my brows. They are just so cute. Okay guys, so this is the finished eyebrows, and this is my finished look. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos.